Hello guys and girls, and welcome back to the Highway Land of Hyrule Town on Let's Play Animal Crossing for a year. I'm your host, John Eric, and welcome back to Let's Play Animal Crossing Stico for a year. Part 2 and Part 3 of Resident Evil 6 is going to be up tomorrow night. Um, I'll give you guys a choice. Should I, after I'm done with all my current Let's Plays, should I do a co-op Let's Play of Resident Evil 6 with my friend Cody Rock 13? You know he's never on Xbox when I'm on anymore. This is the last time he was on Xbox was 4 days ago. Hey, it's Stuffer. Hey, John, you got a letter from Nintendo. What is it now? Crystal Ball? Because I think that's what Jake got. Gaze into the creepy crystal and that vision emerges a frighteningly stylish house. Fences. Here we go. It's kind of creepy, but cool. Whoa. Hey guys. Wow. I'm gonna end the episode now. Sorry, I'm not feeling that well. And I'll see you next time. Let's play Animal Crossing Stico for the year. Don't forget to like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. So I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, bye, bye.